I really wanted to say this because I think it's really important, and some artists kind of get things mixed up and they don't know which one to work on, and they get caught up in trying to impress record labels, or they try and get caught up in pressing management when really your focus should be on building a fan base and working on your art and working on your music, working on your show. Because if you build a good song, you build an awesome live show, and you build a fan base, you'll automatically get the manager. You'll automatically get the record label. So don't focus so much on the networking and the schmoozing that you forget to work on your art. Because you got to understand, if you got the art and you got the show and you got the fan base, you'll get the manager. They'll be banging down your door. Can I please work with you? Can I please work with you? You know, focus on developing on that art and getting it as hot as you can, getting a content strategy for releasing new music and YouTube videos and playing shows and going on tour and building this thing and really thinking about how you're going to build this thing and build this empire. You'll have them knocking on the door, man. I guarantee it. You have great songs. You have a great show. You know, you have merchandise set up, your YouTube channel going. You got rabid fans. You won't have a problem at all, okay? And maybe that means you need to get out of your comfort zone. Maybe that means you got to get out and stop doing what it is you're doing and start working on something else. If you're not getting results doing what you're doing, it's time to switch it up. And that's hopefully why you're taking this course, to get some new ideas, because the definition of insanity is to do the same thing over and over again and expect different results. But it doesn't work that way. Okay, so I really hope that this gives you some ideas of what you should be focusing on. Yes, you want to network, you want to build relationships. I'm not saying don't do that, but I'm saying the focus should be on the art, working on the art, and then yes, taking some time to network and emailing people and keeping managers and labels and all of that abreast and updated on what it is you're doing. But you're so caught up in crushing this thing and you've got momentum on it, you know what I mean, that the manager will come. The manager will come on his own time. You just focus on you building it and you watch them come. It's kind of like the Field of Dreams, you know, build it and they will come. And it doesn't happen overnight, but it will happen. I promise you that. Cheers.